Sup everyone, this is a demo of my RAG project, the UCLA CS Unofficial Guide. The idea is super simple, so when a UCLA student want to know if a professor is good or if a class is hard, they will have to dig through sources like Moonwalk, Reddit, or Read My Professor. And this system pulls together everything, so you can just ask a question and get an answer. So the important thing is that the system only answers from what it actually knows and it cannot make things up. So if the answer is not in the reviews or from the data we've collected, and it would actually tell you, oh, we cannot answer that. So I'm going to show you how this works. So the first question we're going to ask is, what lecture format does Professor Raymond use in CS33? So the RAGs correctly identifies that Professor Raymond used a flipped classroom method in CS33. So basically, the lecture just like a Q&A and just you watch the lecture content online. And many student does not attend the lecture, which is also true. And it also identifies which sources it pulls from. So this is correct. Second question we are going to ask the RAG is, what are students' biggest complaint about Professor Igget's exam? So the RAG says the student complains a lot about how difficult Igget's exams are, and with a class average of 30-40%. And this is definitely all true because I also took Professor Igget's exam and it was definitely super hard. And same as previous question it posed, it shows the data sources that it pulls from. And so, yeah. And the third question we are going to ask is, Professor Raymond a good option for CSM 143B? So I want to clarify that CSM 143B is not a real class at UCLA. And so we're going to ask this the RAG and see if it hallucinate or generate some false content. So as you can see, the RAG correctly answered the question by telling the user that, oh, I actually do not have the information in my sources. So this is correct behavior, and it shows that the RAG can correctly refuse to answer a question that it doesn't know.